Hello everybody, this is Yusuf and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to have a dish from south part of Iran. Basically is all around the Persian Gulf, from Bandar Abbas, Baluchistan, Abadan, Ahvaz, Bushehr, all those areas they make this food. It's called Pakorah or Pakarah, which it originally came from India as far as I know. But some people, they say originally is Iranian. I don't believe that. Anyway, they have their own version. The base is very similar. They have the base, which is a chickpea powder or flour, and also wheat flour. But they have a different type of the veggie that they're gonna add it. Some area they add just the cilantro, some they mix cilantro with the chive, cilantro with the dill, and all mix all together like what I'm doing here. And then with the batter that they make, and we are going to show you how it is. This actually is a street food of the India, Pakistan. At the same time, they serve it in a restaurant too. But in Iran, all household in the south part of Iran, they make this either as a food itself, or a snack, or something between the food, or just, whatever they like it to add it to the side dish. And it's going to be very interesting. Let's go over the ingredients and start making it. Okay, what I have here is about, actually is 1 cup of wheat flour, 1.5 chickpea flour or a powder, and here is a bunch of cilantro, chive, dill, and also a little bit of parsley. So you can add or take out any of those veggie that you like. As I said, some people, they even add eggplant to it. For making this, we need 2 cups of oil, cooking oil, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 egg, have a tablespoon of sugar, also tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoon cumin, and I have 1 pack of fast-acting yeast. Let us start with the yeast, make it ready for our batter. So put it here with the sugar, okay, and I need about 1 cup of warm water. All right, we put this aside for 10 minutes. This is actually a vegetarian dish. If it didn't have an egg, it would be vegan. But at the same time, it's very fun to eat this because it's unique. So next, we chopped our veggie. Cut your onion in 4 or 5 pieces. Also, you can chop it with your hand if you want to, but it has to be very fine chop. And this goes all in there. This should be about 2 cups. All right, let's pause a couple times. I transfer this to this big bowl. Okay, let's put our spices in here. Mix them. Here goes our salt also. And we break our eggs too. Okay. cool. It's very nice, and have to wait another 5 minutes to activate it yeast. Then we add everything together and mix them to make a nice batter. Okay, let's add our dry ingredients, and our also yeast goes in there. And another, but put 1.5 cups of water. It's warm, and mix them very well. I thank you for the suggestion of the food, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do what you want, especially in the region that you like, and please keep the comments coming. All right, now we're gonna put this aside. We cover it with something, and put it aside for about 1 hour. I see you when it's the time. Okay, I check on this one. It seems that is very liquidy, which I had to add 1/2 cup of chickpea and 1/2 cup of flour to get the consistency that I want. This is a problem when you do not measure the water that you add into that. If I was measuring, I wouldn't have this problem. But anyway, we're gonna fix it. You see, they had to be thick enough. This is the way that's supposed to be the first time. All right. So I cut it on time. This is it. It's wonderful. All right, see you in another 40 minutes. This is 2 cups of oil. I put it in a medium heat, and so it seems it's nice and ready. We start just putting the first ball to see what's gonna happen. I better do this and put it all together, and here we go. All right. By the way, if you want to have a little bit puffiness, you can add the baking powder to your batter. And do about like 3 or 4 at the time. So don't put too much of this, too many of the ball, because it's gonna get the heat low and it's not gonna come up right. So make sure that you turn things around. It became 2 parts. All right. Add 1 more, and then we wait to see the result. Turn around frequently. Make sure it's going to be cooked properly. It looks good to me. Remember, it's not gonna, don't look for something that is exactly round and, nice looking. This is it. No matter who makes it, the shape is gonna be like this. But it's fun to eat. You know, you have a handle, you know, you have a place to bite starting. I make room for a couple more. Let's make a couple more, then we take those out by the time we make this little one. It's gonna be ready. I don't want to be too big, trying to make it almost, you know, a decent size. This is ice cream scoop. That's very handy. All right, those are ready. Okay, I'm going to finish the rest, and I see you when we are serving. Okay, my friend, our Pakorah is ready. And every single time I make this, I just wonder myself, how could something like this, it could be so delicious. I made some sauce, it's in the description. And it's very easy to make that also. Yusha John. I mean it. It is good. Make it. You're gonna love it. Before I go and say bye, I want to remind you, this is some places is make it real hot. I did not, but I made the sauce hot, so you can, you know, just change the position. Put more serrano pepper or red pepper, whatever you know you prefer. But anyway, like always, I thank you so much for watching my video and appreciate your support. If it's the first time, please subscribe because you want to see all my video. And for those people that follow me, please share. Until next time with another dish, bye.